Good morning, dear children. As I told you already, we have to learn these identity twice and then we have to write twice also. Let me explain you. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Dear children, do remember it can also come a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now next new identity is for you. A plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Beta, a plus b whole square, only 2 times square was there. Now c is also there in this identity number 4. So one more time, a square plus b square plus c square. There only a and b were there, so 2ab. Here c is also there, then 2bc and 2ca will also be added. A cube plus b cube, new identity, that is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Only one change is there, beta. Fifth identity minus ab. Sixth identity a minus b. Seventh identity a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We can multiply this 3aby bracket, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now only one change, that is a minus b whole cube. So all the signs will be negative after a cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, or we can multiply to get identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b into plus 3ab square. One more new identity, x plus a into x plus b. When first term is same, that is x is same and a and b are different, then x square plus, you add a and b into x plus a and b, that is ab. 10th identity, very important, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. 11th one is the sub case of 10th identity, beta. If I take a plus b plus c equal to 0 in identity number 10, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will become 0, because 0 into whole bracket is 0. So conclusion is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now after solving these identities, or by learning these identities, we will solve some question. Like first question, first part I am taking, it's x plus, second part I am taking x plus 8 into x minus 10. This is x square plus 8 minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10. Here a is 8 and b is minus 10. So after solving, x square minus 2x minus 80 will come. Second question, first part, question is evaluate without multiplication. Okay, we don't have to multiply, we have to convert this into identity first. So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 and 1077 can be written as 100 plus 7. Now it will become x plus a into x plus b. After putting that identity, we'll get answer 11021. Now third question we have to factorize. This is reverse case. Second part I am taking 4y square minus 4y plus 1. We have to make identity now. It's already made. Okay. We have to factorize, means these should be in brackets, simplified form. So 4y square can be written as 2y whole square. And the last one can be written as 1 square. And in between, no need to check, beta, you have a and b. Now put minus 2 into a into b. A is 2y, b is 1. And we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square identity is a minus b whole square. So 2y minus 1 whole square. Don't forget to write this twice because power is 2, 2 times it will be written. Now fourth question, second part I am taking. One more identity we know, a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now the question is 2x minus y plus z whole square. A is 2x, b is minus y and c is z. Now put values in identity. 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z whole square plus 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into z into 2x. So it will be 4x square plus y square plus z square. Do remember, in all the types of question number 4, first 3 terms will be positive. Minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Now sixth part is also same beta. Okay. Now same identity I have put. There was a fraction. No problem. Question is very easy. Next, fifth question. First part I am taking. Again the question is factorize. Previous questions there was expanding. Now we have to factorize, meaning converting in brackets. 4x whole square, it can be written as 2x whole square. 9y whole square can be written as 3y whole square. And 16z square can be written as 4z square. But I have put minus sign. Let me tell you why. 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Check last two terms. It has yz and xz. What is common? Common is z. If after multiplication, if your answer is negative, means one number is negative. So what is common? Yz and xz. Z is common, so I just put minus 4z whole square. Now simplify. Second part is also same beta, but only one thing was there. Minus 2 root 2 xy and minus 8 xz. What is common? X is common, so I will put negative sign in front of x. Okay, same type of question. Now next is sixth question, third part. 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube. Same identity, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. After solving, we can get this answer. Seventh first part I am taking now. Seventh first part, it's evaluate by using suitable identities. We need not to take its cube. We will first use identity, suitable identity. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. So that is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You use 3a square b plus 3ab square, or you can use minus 3ab into a minus b. Now eighth question, this will be the last question for today. Factorize again. Factorize means we have to concise this, converting into brackets. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. You can write this as 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 into 2a whole square. Beta dekho, after seeing 2a, I have written this 2a. After seeing b, in second term I have written b plus 3ab square. First you get a and b and then you put value in formula. Here a is 2a and here b is exactly b. So 2a plus b whole cube will come. I will write this thrice. 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4p is there. First I will find a and b. After seeing, I can get this a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay.